Hello everybody and welcome to one of our how-to guides. Today we're thinking along the lines of being very eco-friendly. So we've been asked by several of our viewers to produce an arrangement that actually doesn't involve foam, oasis, wet foam. So today we're going to use some copper wire. Chicken wire or anything similar would be absolutely fine. I've just made a slight shape to form a base in the bottom of this lovely urn, and then I'm going to just top that up with water. The flowers that we're using today are, sorry, excuse the noise. So just filling that up with water. The flowers we're using today are these absolutely beautiful Hydrangea Schneeball. We've got some Gypsophila Snowball, which is the large-headed variety. It's one of the extra grade ones that's shown on our website. And then we have some Avalanche roses. So a very simple arrangement, created simply without foam. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching our how-to guide today on the urn arrangement using copper wire as for your logistics really, for fixing the flowers in with rather than using the traditional oasis or wet foam. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. It's something a little bit different, very elegant. I love all white and green anyway. So I hope it's inspired you to have a go and do one very similar yourselves. Don't forget to keep in touch, like us, share us with your friends, and also go and visit our YouTube channel for more tips and hints and other how-to guides. We look forward to welcoming you back again very, very soon. Bye for now.